Hello, I'm Ted and welcome back to my world of modelling. This week I'm sticking on the mini garden theme, and so there is a lot to show you, just a couple that I made within the last couple of weeks. The first one, this is the broken pot theme again.
Yeah.
I just made this one just slightly different with a cottage.
This is the one. Is this the one you altered from before?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah. It was just there was too much foliage and you couldn't really see what was behind.
Yeah, it's just open. It looks a lot better now, doesn't it?
I think so. Yeah, it looks to see what's what now. It shows the brickwork off and everything.
Yeah.
Which is all just broken pots.
And they are miniature plants, are they? Proper miniatures.
Most of these are. There's one or two artificial. That's artificial. But this is real. That's quite realistic, isn't it? And so is the ivy and this. Well, just for the effect, I've added one or two artificial. That's actually lichen.
Yeah. Yeah, it works really well, doesn't it?
They're the chickens that I was in Smith's a couple of years back, and I picked up a box of the little miniature animals, chickens and stuff. The mouldings I thought were quite good, but the painting was rubbish. So I just repainted these, but you know, I bought a box of about 50 of these figures and goats and dogs and things for about £3.
And you found a use for them?
Oh, there's one missing, but that's in the shed. I forgot to put it down. I was copying those on the one I'll show you in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, do you like the cottage?
It looks nice, yeah. Very, very quirky,
sort of,
old...
the old quirky old sloping chimney. And
yeah. Did it take much making, the cottage?
No, the hardest part back. I made these so... See, I've seen these online where I watch people build them and they put the sword in first.
Yeah.
And then they put everything on the slabs and stuff on top when they're building. But if something goes wrong, you've got to replace one of the little plants. You'd have to disassemble the whole blooming lot.
Yeah.
So I mean, this actually just lifts off.
Does it?
Yeah. So there's solid structure, the wall and everything. So you can actually you could replace all of these plants very quickly. So I prefer to do that way than build it a lot quicker. Just adding on top, you know. So that's how I make them.
Very nice.
Yeah. Now this second one I made, which I'll show you now, slightly different style.
This is the one you just finished?
This one is a present for a birthday present for your lovely wife, Joanne. This is similar theme with the old lady with the basket and the chickens and stuff.
So the gate opens, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Come into my magic kingdom. Enchanted cottage.
Are these different? These are different plants, aren't they, from the other one? Do you reckon they'll take much pruning? How fast do they grow before we have to start?
The problem is, I was talking to a lady at the garden centre a couple of weeks back, and she said there's no true miniatures, but these that they sell as miniatures, they're very slow growing.
Yeah.
So eventually there will be a size, but you've got to assume that there won't be a problem for maybe, well, I'm hoping a year or so. Then you either prune back.
That long?
I
suppose right and see.
I'm just hoping, but there's nothing stopping you pruning the back a bit, or if necessary, replace.
Yeah.
But also, all this, I'll make it so it can be stripped down. This all just lifts off. Then you can get straight at the plants.
Yeah. So
I could replace all of those plants in just a few minutes. All of these figures, look, they're all on long wires, look.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
So you can put them back in exactly the same position, and they won't move. Same with the lady, look. See, look. Same with the mushrooms. Do you like the mushrooms I made, look?
Oh, well, did you make those yourself,
Yeah.
did you?
They're easy to make, actually. See, they're all on,
Yeah.
they're actually all bicycle wheel spokes.
That's
I
all
remember
they are.
mentioning those before, like, how did they come? Because they're really strong and flexible. Bend them to 90 degrees without them breaking.
Yeah.
They're perfect for modelling, to be honest. So we never chuck away an old push bike. Well, they save the world.
The birdhouse is good as well, isn't
Yeah, how do you like that? Yeah. They're
it?
easy,
It's
though.
really nice, isn't it?
They're easy to make. That's you know the old overgrown heather plants in the garden.
Yeah.
Well, the wood is brilliant, you know, because they need pruning fairly often. So I always save the sticks. They're very strong and flexible, so I use that a lot for modelling. You know, that's so strong you can drill straight up the middle to a depth about there. Look.
Yeah.
Perfectly stable, don't split. So old heather branches, they're perfect for modelling and realistic. Look.
Just the job. So you say you're going to build a big one for the garden?
Yeah, well, your mum keeps asking me to if I can make something. It's just that you've got to pick plants back like, and put the houses and stuff. That can withstand the weather. But it will be a different challenge. Well, I mentioned it. This time last year I showed you some models and I showed you an amaryllis.
Yeah.
Right, well, I'm going to show you the same amaryllis. There you go.
It's a monster, isn't it?
Yeah. It only started flowering probably 3 days ago.
How long will that flower for?
Well, last year it flowered for about, it must have been well over a month. But it's such a beautiful variegated flower.
Yeah.
I mean, I've looked after that for a year. Now last year I kept it in the pots. And I went online to figure out the best how to look after it as regards watering and feeding.
Yeah.
But this time, because I thought to myself, I've gone to quite a bit of trouble actually to get that to flower. If it hadn't have flowered, I would have dumped it, to be honest. But because it's flowered, I'm going to have to look after it again. So, but I will put that in the garden when the frosts are gone for the summer. It'll be just a bit easier to look after and just bring it in the autumn. And hopefully with the same. But this now that should last for. If I remember last year, you're talking about a fortnight.
Yeah.
But when that dies down, this one's coming.
Oh, there's another one on its way.
So there's probably another 3 to 4 weeks of flowers
Yeah.
there, and I'm hopeful there might be enough, plenty of time yet. Another shoot to come up. They go incredibly quick. I'll show this. Do you remember in the last video I did? I used some old.
Oh, the vases, yeah.
Well, I love the fact they're by the cut flowers, camellia, with a plastic liner, because there's water in there. I like the idea of fresh flowers, and then out of the ruggedness of the wood.
It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
very.
lovely.
Yeah, very rustic looking, isn't
10 days or so then. Put some different flowers in.
it? Yeah, it looks
But
really
nice, aren't
nice.
they? Cost nothing, straight out the garden. Camellia, beautiful. Anything while I'm thinking about it, I'd like to say, I always answer all the comments people make, but sometimes they don't seem to go, you know, it looks bad. To be honest though, my skills with the computer and electronics in general, pretty basic, really basic. Almost Neanderthalic, you know. Oddly enough, I used to watch Fred Flintstone. I always felt I had a bit of a, what's the word I'm looking for? But,
Some sort of connection and
what's that connection?
affiliation, or
That's not apathy. I forgot the bloody word now.
It'll come when we finish making the video.
Empathy.
Empathy.
I don't know if you want to cut that bit. I always felt I had a bit of an empathy with Fred Flintstone because of my knowledge of electronics. I struggle with the computer, to be honest. Yeah, give me a few basic tools and a bit of wood and a chisel and that paper.
So basically, you don't want anyone to take offence if you forget to comment.
What I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
I always answer.
Yeah.
But it looks bad when I answer. You know, there's one or two I haven't answered.
Yeah.
When the others have and replied, but also I've answered every single one. But
yeah.
For some reason, whether it's my computer or I just don't know. So I can never really tell if they've received the comment. Anyway, that's my excuse.
I'm sure people won't.
So, that'll have to be it for now. I don't know what I'll be working on next. But
no plans for anything else at the moment?
I've got lots of plans, but just pinning it down to one order.
Yeah.
So, probably a few weeks. Might be something entirely different. Maybe something in the garden. So.
Yeah.
So, until I say Mike and yours.